Upper Hill is located 4 kilometers from the Nairobi city. Upper Hill has become one of the most attractive places in the hospitality and business industry due to its proximity from the city. In Upper Hill, there is one upcoming apartment known as the 88 Condominium Tower, a 44 residential skyscraper project located on 4 Ngong Avenue. So this building is under construction. It's purely a residential apartment, and after the completion of this project, this will be one of the tallest residential apartment in sub-Saharan Africa. The construction is expected to be completed in a span of 3 years, and this project is one of the Lordship Africa project, a real estate and a development company based in Nairobi. A Chinese firm known as ZJCC was contracted to undertake the project in a span of 3 years. So this project began in December 2020, and the construction is going on very well. The building is already on the, let me count the floors for you. 1, 2, 3. It's already on the 13th floor. So the building is under construction. As you can see, the workers on the sides. This is just a steel yard where all the bending and measurements are taken of the steel. Then it's being taken up by the tower crane. So these are just a few workers on the ground. After the completion of this project, it is expected to be occupied the full capacity, because people are already booking the apartments, and we are yet to see. We are here to see how it will look like after the completion. So at the 4 Ngong Avenue, we have the show apartment and the sales office for the 88 Nairobi Condominium. So opposite the Kenya National Library, we have the show apartments. So let me take you direct to the showroom. As you can see how the house looks like, the kitchen, the bedrooms, the dining, the swimming pool, all inclusive in one residential apartment, 88 Condominium Tower, Nairobi.